Temporary definition, temporary in a sentence, temporary pronunciation, temporary meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of temporary. Temporary. Tem-po-ra-ry. Temporary. Temporary as an adjective means lasting for a limited period of time, or not intended for a long time. Common usages in academic writing: a temporary job, a temporary assignment, a temporary substitute, a temporary solution, temporary housing. Example sentences: temporary, adjective. Over 15% of students acquired temporary jobs during their winter break. Example sentence number 2. The government set up temporary housing for those displaced by the earthquake. The common academic writing variation is temporarily, adverb. The system was temporarily disabled by the power surge. Please write a sentence using temporary in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of temporary, the meaning of temporary, and temporary example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video. Bye!